Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to fix the problem you might be having with Deepseek that the server is busy. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Deepseek website right here at deepseek.com if you're not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started. So to be able to use Deepseek, you're going to need an account, and you can go ahead and create an account if you do not already have one by clicking the start now button right here. That's going to open up the registration process. If you already have an account, you can just go ahead and log in normally, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. This is the chat with Deepseek where you can get started. So guys, let's say that you try to talk to Deepseek, you ask for some help, ask the question, and you get the answer that the server is busy and to try again later. Well, basically guys, what you can do is just first make sure that your internet connection is stable, that you have an internet connection and the problem isn't in your part. And if you have an internet connection guys, then basically all you can do is just wait, because sometimes the servers are just busy. Too many people are using the application at the same time. So what you want to do is to give it some rest, maybe half an hour, maybe an hour or two, doesn't matter. Come back a bit later on and try using Deepseek then again. So once you try again guys, you're probably going to go ahead and be able to use it normally once the server stabilizes, and you will be able to use Deepseek for anything you need normally. So just go ahead and wait it out and check it out again. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.